Good afternoon, students of class 5. I'm here with the section B part, reading comprehension. I have already done the first one. I hope all of you have read it and tried to answer. We'll be getting the checking in the answers during the class, but reading is done. I suppose all of you have done the reading many times. So today we have the second one, a very short passage based on a familiar topic which we have already learnt in English literature, that is stamp collection. So for the little more information about it, we had already two related to this topic. Now let us see what this passage speaks about. So kindly open the book, page 135, and please follow along with me and have a better reading practice. Stamp collection is a popular hobby among the youngsters as well as adults all across the world. Now this is already we are aware. It is a hobby, though it is an outdated, but even at present there are few people who are interested and doing it. Nowadays you will not find much of this with the modern techniques. Hardly we use all these stamps at present, but still it is making a study, and it has become very popular among the youngsters as well as the adults. Children like for entertainment or for their little bit of studies, and adults also does it for more of like findings. We already learned stamp collecting from different countries will give us so much of information about the country and its background. So same way people are interested. Now it is interesting to know what stamps are and how, where and when they were printed. Stamp is an official seal generally used to show that a tax or a fee has been paid. Fee has been paid. So when we put a stamp on something, we know that either we have paid a tax or we have paid the fee, because what happens is like a revenue stamp, we usually do the what is it called, before signing, like those who are earning amount and all, they have the revenue stamp signature. Now the most common form is postage stamp, used to prepare mailing of letters and parcels. So all these are used for mailing the letters and parcels, and usually used this postage stamps. Postage stamps were first used in Great Britain in 1840, and other countries quickly followed. In Britain it started in 1840 and rest of the countries also followed. Stamp collection started within 20 years of the introduction of postage stamps. Stamp collection started after 20 years after coming out the stamps, postage stamps. People collect stamps for various reasons and in various ways. Different way and different reason they have because of collecting. Some people buy rare stamps hoping that their value will increase like that of other rare items. So they think that by collecting it, they hope their value will increase. The importance will increase and other rare items. Rare item means not very commonly used. Those type. Many collectors specialize in collecting the stamps of certain countries. It's a specialized business. It's a specialized entertainment and certain countries. Philately means collection and study of stamps is known as philately. Is another name for stamp collection, and stamp collectors are called philatelists. Philatelists like persons who are collect and studies the stamp is known as a philatelist, and philately is a collecting stamps. it is known as a collecting stamps. So this is a very short passage. I suppose it is very easy for you. Read it many times as a part of reading comprehension, and try to grasp it and answer the following questions according to what you have understood. Then I'll be giving you the solved answers. Here we have the answer. I'll just go through the answers. How does the author define stamps? So you have to go through how the author is defining about stamps. Which is the most common form of stamps? Which mostly commonly used one. When did philately or stamp collection started? Now read carefully, you will get the answer. Some people buy rare stamps, incomplete with relevant information. Now why people buy rare stamps? Reason. Pick any 4 adjectives from the passage. So there are adjectives given like describing words which are given in this passage. You will find out at least 4. Give words from the passage that mean similar to the following. Now 2 words are similar, like synonyms. Well known, different, and purchase. So similar meanings are given here. You will find out. Read it many times. You will get all these answers. Then I'll send you for the checking the answers. Thank you and have a nice day.